Natural events have always left humanity completely baffled. There are some events for which even we do not have any explanation, and we simply cannot explain them. Science tries to explain these phenomena, but there are certain occurrences that leave even science completely speechless. Today, in this video from James Documentary, we will discover the top 10 natural phenomena that have continuously shocked mankind. So, let us get started. Number 10. The Milky Sea Effect. Several ships have reported seeing glowing and illuminated anomalies in the East India Sea near Somalia. At first, these claims were not taken seriously, but soon after, when multiple ships began reporting the exact same thing, scientists launched a research investigation. To their surprise, it was revealed that there actually is something in that area emitting a mysterious light. Scientists have named this the Milky Sea Effect. However, what actually causes this is something scientists have still not been able to discover. One group of scientists believes this light is emitted by a massive colony of living organisms, while another group believes it is not a living creature at all, but rather a natural phenomenon or something created by bioluminescence. Let us see what scientists discover in the future, but what it truly is remains unknown to this day. What is your opinion on this? Be sure to let us know in the comment box. Number 9. Methane bubbles. In cold regions, when the water of a lake or pond freezes into solid ice, the methane gas trapped beneath the water body forms pebble-like shapes just under the icy surface. This is a very common natural phenomenon in frozen countries, and the fascinating part is that if you poke a hole in one of these bubbles and light it up, the fire will keep burning for a long time until the methane gas inside that bubble is completely exhausted. It truly looks incredibly beautiful. Number 8. The herringfish. In 2012, on the coast of northern Norway, around 20 tons of herringfish were found mysteriously dead, washed ashore, and overnight, they strangely vanished into thin air. How and why this event happened remains a mystery to this day. Scientists have made many guesses, but not a single theory has been proven correct. According to some experts, the fish might have somehow been pushed toward the shore by the tidal waves, and since herring are marine fish, they died upon entering the freshwater near the coast. Then, a later tide might have washed the dead fish back out into the ocean. However, other experts believe this could have been caused by a storm or a sudden disease. It is also highly possible that a large predator fish chased this massive school of herring and forced them onto the shore, causing them to die naturally. But what actually happened there remains completely unresolved. What do you think? What really happened on that northern Norwegian coast? Number 7. Underwater volcanoes. Volcanoes are extremely terrifying natural structures. We usually see volcanoes on the Earth's surface, meaning on dry land. But did you know that there are volcanoes underwater, hidden deep inside the oceans? Yes, there are over 1 million volcanoes on Earth that are located underwater. These underwater volcanoes erupt just like land ones, and sometimes, as a result of these eruptions, an entire new island is born. In fact, most islands on Earth were formed due to volcanic eruptions. In 1963, a passenger ship witnessed this jaw-dropping event firsthand. In the middle of their journey, they spotted a massive cloud of smoke in the distance. At first, they thought a ship had caught fire, but upon closer inspection, they realized it was not a burning ship at all. It was a violent underwater volcanic eruption, and right before their eyes, a brand new island was being formed. This island was named Surtsey. Humans are strictly forbidden from setting foot on this island. Only scientists are allowed to visit it for research and study purposes. Number 6. Seafoam. Generally, these foams look quite beautiful, and they are formed by various organic materials, such as the proteins of dead marine life, decaying organic matter, and ocean salts. Whenever a cyclone, massive waves, or a tsunami occurs, this seafoam increases drastically and accumulates heavily on the shores. After severe floods and cyclones in Australia and Spain, this foam was seen in massive quantities. At that time, entire coastal areas were completely covered under a thick blanket of seafoam. However, this seafoam can be extremely toxic. It does not just negatively affect humans, it also causes severe harm to birds and animals. Exposure to this foam can lead to respiratory problems, serious diseases, and can even be fatal. Number 5. Slush waves. Looking at them, it seems as if the ocean waves instantly turned into ice, right as they hit the shore. This phenomenon is known as slush waves. The actual reason behind this occurrence is that when the temperature drops drastically, the salt in the saltwater begins to crystallize, and the ocean currents push it toward the shore. This creates the illusion that the entire ocean has frozen solid. Sometimes, massive chunks of ice can even be seen floating around. This natural phenomenon can only be witnessed by a lucky few because it is incredibly rare. Number 4. The SpaceX skylights. In 2017, mysterious lights like these were spotted in the night sky over Northern California, and within moments, the pictures went viral. Many major celebrities tweeted about it, asking what it could possibly be. Was it an actual alien attack? Or was it another secret mission by Donald Trump? In response to this, Tesla CEO Elon Musk tweeted, "There is nothing to fear. This is simply a rocket launched by SpaceX." Pictures of lights from SpaceX rocket launches have gone viral many times before. 2 years prior, in 2019, an astronomer captured a similar streak of light on camera, and the image instantly went viral. It was later revealed to be a satellite launched by Elon Musk's company, SpaceX, which was being deployed into orbit, and it was visible across multiple countries worldwide. So, from now on, if you see mysterious lights like this in the sky, do not be panicked. It could very well be a satellite or a rocket launched by SpaceX. Number 3. The Black Ring. In January 2020, panic struck Pakistan when a mysterious black shadow was captured hovering in the sky. For a long time, people kept watching this shadow. Some called it a demonic cloud, others claimed it was alien activity, and some even believed that this black shadow had appeared as an omen of bad times coming to Pakistan. In reality, such black rings have never been fully understood, though similar black rings have been spotted before in England and over Disneyland in California. What this actually is has still not been definitively proven. However, it is widely believed to be caused by industrial factories or fireworks. When smoke is forced out of a circular object under extreme pressure, it takes the shape of a perfect ring. That is likely how this smoke ring was created. What is your take on this? Definitely let us know in the comments. Number 2. The bird suicide. This heartbreaking phenomenon occurs in India between the months of September and November, specifically in a small town called Jatinga in the state of Assam. This mass event takes place between 7 p.m. and 10 p.m. at night, where hundreds of birds mysteriously plunge to their deaths. But why these birds do this remains completely unknown despite years of extensive research. Once the Wildlife of India conducted a massive survey where renowned ornithologists like JPG and Dr. Salam Ali participated. Even after running tests for days, these experts could not find the exact reason behind this tragedy. The local people consider it to be a curse or the wrath of God. Every year, many tourists visit this place to witness this event with their own eyes. Personally, I would never want to look at such a tragic sight. Would you want to go and see it? Let us know. Number 1. The ringing rocks. These peculiar rocks can be found in large abundance in a specific area of Pennsylvania, USA. Right in the middle of a forest, these rocks sit piled up in a massive field. No one has any concrete data on when, why, or how these rocks ended up here. But the most fascinating part is that if you strike these rocks with a hammer or another stone, they emit a beautiful, clear musical and instrumental sound. Every year, thousands of tourists crowd the area just to see it play these rocks, making it a highly entertaining and enjoyable experience for visitors. Similar musical rocks have been found in a few other places around the world. Some have even been used as pillars in ancient temples. However, scientific theories vary greatly as to why these rocks make such instrumental sounds. Some scientists believe these rocks are composed of a high-density volcanic rock called diabyles, which is found in the Earth's crust, while others theorize that striking them releases a series of low-frequency vibrations that combine to create an audible musical tone. But the definitive reason why they ring like bells remains a mystery. Well, friends, that brings us to the end of today's countdown. If you had the rare chance to witness one of these mind-blowing phenomena in real life, which one would you choose to see? Drop your choice in the comments below. If you enjoyed this mystery trip, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to James Documentary with bell notifications turned on so you never miss our next epic upload. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.